Now we turn to traversal. This is when we visit every element in the array, one after another from the first cell to the last. To visit every element, we use an index called I. We start with I at 0. We look at the cell at index 0. Its value is 17. That is our first visit. Now we add 1 to I is 1. We look at the cell at index 1. Its value is 42. Index 0 is done. We add 1 again. I is 2. We look at the cell at index 2. Its value is 8. I is 3 now. We look at the cell at index 3. Its value is 99. I is 4. We look at the last cell at index 4. Its value is 5. Next, I becomes 5, but 5 is the size, so the loop stops. We have visited all n elements. So traversal is big. O of n, we do one visit for each element. Access jumps to one cell. Traversal repeats that jump for every cell.